Good morning, YouTube people. I quite literally just woke up on a Saturday morning, but here we are. Excuse my face. Apparently you still get acne at the age of 27. That's awesome, but I thought it would be a really fun video for today to just bring you around my day and kind of see a day in the life of me, like A, on the weekend and B, on summer break. So that's what we're gonna do today. So since I literally rolled out of bed, I'm just gonna walk you through my morning and then I'll pick you back up and kind of chat with you and fill you in on what we got going on this morning. Okay, so while the coffee's going, I'm just gonna walk you through kind of my mental plan for the day. So first things first, I have some grad school work that I have to do. It's like my last little thing for this class. My first class is ended, other than this one little part. And my second session begins on Monday, and I'm taking 2 classes this session because summer. So we'll see how that goes. So step 1, get that done. I have to clean my house because it's disgusting. So my cousin had us all over yesterday and I was like making food and then we had to go, so I didn't clean the kitchen and like there's just stuff everywhere. The dogs ripped apart the carpet because they broke our fence last night while we were gone. And so we had to put them inside and they just shredded our carpet, which you can see the aftermath of over there. Lovely. So I just like need to get my house like dialed in. I don't know about you guys, but like I usually do that Friday night or like first thing Saturday because then I don't think about it for the rest of the week or the following week. So that's on my agenda. What else? Today's my mama's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy, if you're watching. So we're going to dinner this evening with my brother, his wife, Chris's parents, and my parents. So it'll be really fun. So I have to wrap her gifts. I'm still waiting for a couple of things from Amazon, so we'll see. Hopefully they get here. I also want to drive over to the school and see if they're cleaning out the classroom because I'm so impatient. So I might do that. And then I got a really exciting package in the mail yesterday. So I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. The company's called Teacher's Crate. And this is the first one I've gotten, so I don't really know what's inside of it, but I'm excited to show you that. Honestly, after this chatty little bit, I'm not gonna talk much to you throughout this video. I'm just gonna put you down and kind of let you see what I do on the weekend. I'm sorry, I haven't had coffee yet. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get my coffee and I'm gonna start this grad work and put on the World Cup. And I'll check back in with you guys later in the day. This little girl was so naughty last night. She was so naughty, but she said sorry. Update. My house is clean. I still haven't eaten, but my mom just called me and said she wanted to go on a walk. I'm fortunate enough to live around the corner from my parents, and it's her birthday, so I'm gonna go do that with her. I'm not gonna bring you with me because, like, I don't know, I just want to hang out with my mama. So I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, I am back from my walk. I am just eating a very basic breakfast. Whole grain oats with banana and almond milk and eggs. That's where we're at today. The walk was lovely. It was nice to hang out with my mom and just get outside. After I eat, I am gonna run some errands. I have to make some returns at Target. That's really it. And I want to do that before the World Cup game at 12:30. So I'm gonna get that done. Hopefully my Amazon package will be back when I get home, so I can wrap presents, finish laundry, and then like actually shower and look presentable. So I'll see you later. Okay, so I'm gonna go run to Target. I'm also going to drive by my classroom and see if any progress has been made because I'm super nosy. So if there has been progress made, I will show you, and if not, I will tell you. Okay, so it looks like slow progress has been made. There's some things being boxed up. There's stuff off of the bulletin boards, so progress is being made. Okay, sweet. Okay, so if you watched my like classroom sneak peek, you'll know that there has been a little progress made. It was like so cluttery and overwhelming that they are making progress. If you know me at all though, you know like I want to get in there. But it's for the best. It keeps me out and like not thinking about school. So it's good to know that they are making progress, and fingers crossed that I will be able to at least see the space emptied by July 5th. I probably won't start doing anything until like mid-July, but anyway, cool little update. Okay, I'm gonna run to Target now, return some stuff, and then I'll be back. All right, I'm home, but I'm a dummy. I read the schedule wrong, and the soccer game was at 9:30, but I did record it. So I'm going to sit on the couch for like the next 2 hours because I can, and watch this game, and then I'm gonna get showered and get ready for the afternoon/evening. So I will pick you back up then. Plot twist, I just woke up from a nap for like an hour. It was so nice. I haven't really been doing much today, but that's okay because that's what weekends are for during summer. But now that I'm awake, I took a shower obviously before, but I need to wrap my mom's gift, and then I need to get ready. And then I want to show you what's inside this box, the Teacher's Crate box, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I have to like get glam for, I'm gonna go this way, for this evening. So you're going to watch a super sped up process of me getting ready. I'm not gonna stop and show you everything that I'm using because that's not this type of video. So enjoy. Okay, bye. So I am ready, and now that I'm ready, I have like about an hour before we need to go. So I do want to show you and unbox this Teacher's Crate with you. So it's theteacherscrate.com. So essentially what it is, I think it's just a subscription, and then they send you all sorts of teacher stuff. So I think it's a monthly thing. I'm gonna go ahead and have everything linked in the description box below because I don't want to misspeak, but I'm really excited because they sent me this and I've been waiting to see what's inside. So let's do this together. So, let's see. Okay, so first glance, it looks like this. Ooh, this is the perfect time to get stuff because it's back to school and we like need all the things. Okay. All right, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna bust everything open. I am gonna say I have a lot of stuff. So anything that I don't think I'm gonna need or already have, I might add to my, oh my gosh. I might add to my giveaway. I am gonna do a big back to school giveaway as we get closer to the start of the school year, so hold on. So this is cute. This is a little pencil pouch, which I actually need, believe it or not. I feel like this is gonna go into my purse because I just have random pens thrown in there. It says Teachersaurus, and it's a little dinosaur. So cute. Yay. I actually do need this. This is like something I would never buy myself, so that's fun. And then we have Mini Magic Liner Erasable Highlighters. I have never heard of an erasable highlighter. If you've watched any of my unboxing videos, you know that I rip everything to the studs. If you hear that pounding in the background, I'm sorry, that's my dog trying to get me to play with him. I'm gonna go purple because it's my favorite color. Erasable? I don't know about that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Sorry, my camera's really bright right now. And then, oh, what? I'm freaking out. That's really cool. So one side is just like purple and the other side is a white. Wow, that's actually really cool. It's completely gone. That's fascinating. We'll put these in our little pouch. Cute. So then we have, this is awesome. It's a little big for my computer, but I don't have anything like this and I should. But this is really cool. It says, take chances, make mistakes, get messy. And it's a laptop pouch cover thingy. So your computer goes in here and it stays safe. Again, this is a little bit big for my computer, but I think I'm gonna test it out and see if this is something that I'd actually use. But if not, what a fun thing to put in a back to school giveaway. So cute, and I love the color. I'm so on brand for me. Love it. This is like good quality stuff too. This is exciting. Okay. What's next? This is Totally Adorable Sticker Book. There are a bunch of little stickers. LOL, OMG, yes. Happy B-Day, road trip. I think these go into a planner of some kind. Cute. Fun. We all need these. I could have 100 of these, but I still somehow always forget them. It's just like a little reusable bag. Cute. It says, I can't adult today. I can't adult this season. Okay, there's one more thing. It's a planner. Okay, here's the thing about planners. Let me show you the front. There you go. It's like a light brown and it has a like little squiggle design on it. I am really picky about my planners. For me personally, I have to plan horizontally. So I have to see the day from left to right. So it's really hard for me to get a planner, and I think I'm gonna create my own planner this year, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna personally use this. However, if I don't, I will again put it in the back to school giveaway, but if I do, okay, let's just see. Okay, so there's an overview for a quick place for all the months. I'm really just interested in, oh, it is horizontal. Okay, so this is what I mean. So my days go like this. A lot of people like to go down. I do not. For me, like this half of the page is the morning and this half is the afternoon. So I can just flip it over. Okay, I'm halfway through my day. So that's huge. I haven't invested in a planner yet. So this is a contender. I'm gonna wait and see if I decide to create one. So again, these come monthly. It's a subscription. I will link everything down below. Thank you, Teachers Crate, for sending me that. That was very, very sweet of you. You did not have to do that. I think I am gonna get a couple more months just to see how they change from month to month, to see if it's something that I'm gonna keep doing. But overall, I thought that was really cute. So again, if there's anything in there or in the boxes to come for the summer that I don't think I'll use for my own classroom, I'll put them in our back to school giveaway. All right, so it's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna head over to my parents here in a little bit. We're going to give my mom her gift and then we're gonna go to dinner. I'm gonna bring my camera. I don't know how much I'm gonna pick it up. I tend to be really bad about vlogging when I'm around my family because I'm just like in the moment. I will try to pick it up as much as I can and show you guys our night, and then our day will be over.
Early to go do that shit.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Hi guys, so we just got back from dinner. I am so tired. It's only 9:10, but I'm not kidding you. I'm gonna wash my face and go get in bed because that's where I'm at. I'm so sleepy. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know it's a little different than something I've done before, but it's summer and I'm not teaching, so I'm just kind of doing whatever makes sense for me at the moment. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.